The harvest is plentiful, but the workers are few. The workers are few. Kokonti. So, ano sabi ng Bible? Ask the Lord of the harvest to send out workers. And you are one of the workers that God is intended to serve. Influence begins with serving. So every time we influence, we serve people. And we cannot serve without our influence. Ministry is influence. Every time you influence someone, a group of people, a community, it's a ministry. Ministry is not limited to church building. Meron kang pwedeng gawin. Kung ayaw mong mag-ministry sa loob, may gagawin ka sa labas. Come to think of this. If you are not able to sing, some of you are not able to play drums or play instruments, or kaya naman gumamit ng kung ano-ano man ginagawa natin sa church, you can do something for the Lord. Pwede kang magwalis sa simbahan, yung hindi mo kaya. Pwede kang mag-volunteer. Pastor, pwede ba once a month ako maglaban ng kurtina natin dyan? Pastor, pwede bang pagpipinturahan ko yan kung talagang wala na akong ginagawa? Let me remind everyone that ministry is not limited on the four corners of our sanctuary. If you don't want to join any ministry related to our church building, do something for the glory of God. Do not just sit, then uwi. Alam yung Zimbabwe, nakinabang tayo pero hindi nakikinabang yung iba sa atin. Sorry for that word. Nakinabang tayo pero hindi tayo pinapakinabangan ng iba.